Hi everyone, welcome to YS Bites and Pieces. Today we're making a super tasty and rich Cocoa Bliss Cake. It's soft, chocolatey, and very easy to make. Let's get started. Ingredients are cocoa powder 10 grams, powdered sugar 50 grams, all-purpose flour 30 grams, chocolate chips 50 grams, 1 whole egg plus egg yolk, unsalted butter 50 grams, coating the bowl with butter and cocoa powder. Melt chocolate chips and butter in the air fryer for 3 minutes. Take a mixing bowl and add the egg and sugar. Beat well until the mixture becomes smooth and slightly fluffy. Add melted chocolate chips and butter to the mixture. Mix well until combined. Add all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. A pinch of salt and mix everything together to form a smooth batter. Pour the batter into a greased or lined baking bowl, suitable for an air fryer. At 170 degrees Celsius, and bake the cake for 13 minutes. Once done, let it cool slightly before serving. Garnish the cake with powdered sugar. Cocoa Bliss Cake is ready to eat.